Hi everyone, Mala. So I wanted to make this video, especially for those who are quick to judge, quick to assume, and quick to write a negative comment based on few seconds of clip, right? Regarding the incident of the 14th Dalai Lama. So before we talk about those people, I wanted to say a few words regarding the incident. Suck my tongue. What it means in our culture. In our Tibetan culture, suck, lick, suck my tongue is something our grandparents say to their grandchildren after a kiss. And then giving a piece of candy with their mouth, what it means is that they have nothing to give you but my tongue, right? It also meant to poke a bit of fun at how little kids don't like getting big wet kisses from their granny and grandpa. So that's a brief explanation of what suck my tongue in our Tibetan culture means. For those who are interested in learning and understanding more of our Tibetan culture and about the incident, few of the links will be posted down below if you're interested in seeing the whole video instead of few seconds of the clip, and also what happened after the interview with the parent, with the boy, right? The links will be down below if you're interested, so please go and watch. So going back to the point, so for those people who are quick to judge, quick to assume, and quick to write a negative comment based on a few seconds of clip, it's very interesting. We as a human being, we are intelligent species if we want to, right? So I feel that before judging, assuming, and writing a negative comment about one's culture, it's important to do our homework right. Do the homework properly by watching the full video, understanding the culture, the background, the history, instead of having no knowledge of that, just jumping on the comment section to write a negative comment. Because at the end of the day, it shows, once you open your mouth, right, it shows who you are as a person, right? Assuming, judging, and writing a negative comment based on a few seconds of clip is something very easy to do. Anybody can do. Anybody can judge, assume, and write a negative comment, right? That's something, I mean, in fact, that's the easiest thing to do, right? But to do the opposite of that, which takes time, energy, and effort, right? A lot of people are lacking to do that, right? But they're choosing to do the easy one, which is to assume, judge, and to be negative. It's showing who you are. You're telling the world who you are as a person, right? Normally, what happens is that when people open their mouth, basically they're telling the world who they are as a person and the trauma, the bad experiences, what they watch, what they've been through, their own bad experiences. They're basically combining all of that and then reflecting it, right? Which is not very intelligent to do, right? So I'm gonna wrap this, right? And then, so my last few words will be, before you judge and write a negative comment, make sure to do your homework right. Do your research about the culture, use your common sense, and understand the other person's intention, right? Not your own experience and your intention, and then writing a negative comment about it, right? Which is not very intelligent to do. Okay, so I hope, and if you are, I think I mentioned this before, but if you're interested in learning about the culture and about the incident more, the links will be down below, so make sure to click on the link and watch the full video and watch what suck my tongue means in our Tibetan culture. And after the incident or the event, the parents and the boy was interviewed, so the link will be down below of that, so make sure to watch that if interested. And that's it.
Dalai Lama, news media, news media, news media, Dalai Lama, Dalai Lama, Dalai Lama, news media, news media, news media, Dalai Lama. New media, news media, news media, Dalai Lama, Dalai Lama, Dalai Lama, Dalai Lama, Dalai Lama, Dalai